Good morning, first PUC students. Yesterday, what did we complete the topic quadratic equations, and before polar representation of a complex number. The polar representation of complex numbers and quadratic equation, the both concepts are very important and compulsory. It comes 99% of examination. Okay. So once again I will repeat the polar representation. First an example, root 3 plus I. Z is equal to root 3 plus I. This is converted into x plus iy. Here what is x? X is equal to root 3. Y is equal to 1. No, 1 means I is equal to 1 into I. So R is equal to mod z. Mod z is equal to formula x square plus y square. So that is equal to root of 3 plus 1 is equal to 2. Root 3 whole square is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 4. Root 4 is equal to 2. So x is equal to r cos theta. So cos theta is equal to x by r. X is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2 when cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. At the same way, y is equal to r sin theta. Sin theta is equal to y by r. So y is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 when sin 30 degrees. 30 is equal to pi by 6. So theta is equal to fix pi by 6. Therefore, what is the polar form? The polar form is z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So z is equal to r is equal to 2, cos theta is equal to 30 degrees, cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. Negative means the quadrant. First quadrant theta, second quadrant pi minus theta, third quadrant minus pi plus theta, fourth quadrant minus theta. This is one. Next quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? ax square plus bx plus c is equal plus c, and ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic expression. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Quadratic expression or quadratic equation of degree 2, because this is power x square, highest power. This is degree 2. The degree 2 polynomial has 2 roots, 2 solutions. Degree n polynomial has n roots. So in the quadratic equation, a, b, c are real numbers. The x is the variable, single variable. The quadratic equation has any variable but single variable, ax square plus bx plus c, ay square plus by plus c, az square plus bz plus c. Here a not equal to, must be a not equal to 0, because a is equal to 0 means the total is 0. So this is not a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means what? Degree 2. Quadratic equation has degree 2. A is equal to 0 means what? This is bx plus c. Bx plus c means degree 1. Degree 1 means what? Linear polynomial. Degree 1 equation has called linear equation. Degree 2 equation called quadratic equation. Degree 3 equation called cubic equation. Degree 4 equation called biquadratic equation, and so on. Degree 5 equation called 5th degree equation, 6th degree equation, 7th degree polynomial. There is no separate name. Up to 4 is separate names: biquadratic, cubic, quadratic, linear. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, how many roots? How many solutions? 2 solutions. How to find solutions? By using the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Apply by using the formula. How to find out the solutions or root of the quadratic equation? This formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. Already yesterday some problems are completed, some 2 or 3 problems are completed, and 5 questions are gave homework. Okay, and the next one, the first type of quadratic equation problems are completed. This is second type of quadratic equations. Okay, you know polar form? Are you clear? Polar form? Okay. Polar form formation. What is the formation of polar form? Z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by using the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This one. Next problem, convert into complex number, minus 16 by 1 plus I root 3. Convert into complex number minus 16 by 1 plus I root 3 into polar form. This is the last and final explanation. If anyone are absent, then listen carefully. So first polar form must be x plus I by form. This is not x plus I by form. First is convert into x plus I by form, after polar form first. This is z is equal to minus 16 by 1 plus I root 3. In the denominator, x should not be in the denominator. Denominator in the items, in the root values, in the denominator root values, I values, negative should not be in the denominator. Which type of values? I minus root 3 should not be in the denominator. Denominator in the numerator, denominator in the items, I padagalu, minus and root 3 type of values erabaradu, should not be in the denominator. Okay, if it comes rationalization, do it rationalization. What is the meaning of rationalization? How to reach rationalization? This is a plus ib form. A plus ib is rationalization is a minus ib type. This is sign change. 1 minus I root 3. Divide and multiply 1 minus I root 3. This is the procedure of rationalization. So that is equal to minus 16 into 1 minus I root 3 by a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. minus 16 into I root 3 by this is 1 plus I square. I square is equal to minus 1 root 3 whole square is equal to 3 a square minus b square. So that is equal to minus 16 into 1 minus I root 3 by 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus 3 4 4 1 so 4 4 so that is equal to minus 4 plus 4 root 3 I minus 4 plus I root 3 I. This is the z. Okay, now first convert into x plus iy form, next polar form. So 4 1 so 4 4 minus 4. So any doubt and minus 4 into 1 minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 root 3. This is convert into x plus iy. So here what is x? X is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to 4 root 3. Y is equal to 4 root 3. So r is equal to root of x square plus y square 4 root 3 whole square. So 4 16 plus 4 square 16 into 3 48 48. So 50 64. 64 means 8. This is r is equal to 8. R is equal to 8. Next, what is the next procedure? First, calculate r. Next, x is equal to r cos theta. Cos theta is equal to x by r. X is equal to what? Minus 4. R is equal to 8. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, y is equal to r sin theta. Sin theta is equal to y by r. Y is equal to 4 root 3 by 8, that is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos theta negative, sin theta positive. The cos theta minus 1 by 2 angle easy to calculate, or the sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2 is easy. Sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2 easy. So alpha, not theta, alpha is equal to sin theta when root 3 by 2, when 60 degrees. So sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. This is the alpha. First to find out alpha. How to find out alpha? First taken positive value. Positive value from calculating the positive value. Calculating from positive value. So alpha is equal to pi by 3. So cos theta negative, sin theta positive. Which quadrant? Cos theta negative, sin theta positive. First quadrant all are positive. In the second quadrant sin positive, cos negative. So cos theta is negative and sin theta is positive in second quadrant. In second quadrant, what is theta? Theta is equal to second quadrant. First quadrant theta, second quadrant pi minus alpha. So alpha is equal to what? Pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3. In second quadrant pi minus alpha. Third quadrant minus pi plus alpha plus theta. So theta is there and r is there. So polar form. Polar form is z is equal to r into, we have to write formula first, compulsory, sin theta. So that is equal to r is equal to what? 8 into cos theta, cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. This is the polar form. This is very important, the polar form. 3 times I did explain 3 times, today, yesterday, before day, 3 times so different problems. So maximum exercise problems covered. Okay, this one you can understand. Yeah. Any doubt, ask me. Okay. Next, going to quadratic equation. So, second type of problems, root 2x square, solve root 2x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Here, what is A? A is equal to root 2. B is equal to x square coefficient is A. What is the quadratic expression formula form? Ax square plus bx plus c. Here x square coefficient is A, y x coefficient is B and constant is c. So c is equal to root 2. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. So minus b minus 1 plus or minus root of minus b plus or minus b square 1 no minus 4 into a root 2 b root 2 by 2a 2 root 2. So that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 8 root 2 into root 2 2 4 into 2 8 1 minus 8 by 2a. So that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 by 2 root 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7i by 2 root 2. Because I square is equal to minus 1 no, I is equal to root of minus 1 no. I square is equal to minus 1 no, I is equal to root of minus 1 no. This is 7. This is minus 7 is equal to minus 7 is equal to minus 1 into 7. Root of minus 7 is equal to root of minus 1 into 7. Root 7 into root of minus 1 no, I. This one. Direct applying formula. Okay, root 2 into root 2, root x into root x is equal to x, so root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2, 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Or any doubt, root 7 is equal to root 7 into root minus 1. Yesterday I will explain. Root a into b is equal to root a into root b. Root a into b is equal to root a into root b. So this is a into b. B is equal to minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7 into root of minus 1 is equal to I by 2 root 2. This is x. So what is the roots? x1 is equal to minus 1. This is plus or minus 1. Minus 1 plus root 7 I by 2 root 2. And second one, x2 is equal to minus 1 minus root 7 I by 2 root 2. Minus 1 minus root 7 I by 2 root 2. These are roots of the given equation. Okay, next one. Root 3x square, root 3x square minus root 2x, root 2x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0, plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Here, what is a? X square coefficient, x square coefficient gunaka root 3. B is equal to x gunaka coefficient of x minus root 2, not root 2, minus root 2, because what is the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c. So all are plus, this is coefficient plus, means minus root 2. What is c? 3 root 3. Formula minus b, formula must be, you have to write b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is equal to minus b minus of minus root 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a is equal to root 3, c is equal to 3 root 3 by 2a, 2 root 3 minus of minus plus root 2 plus or minus root of root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2, root 2 whole square is equal to 2, minus whole square is equal to plus, so root 2 whole square is equal to 2, so minus 4 into root 3 into root 3, 4 into 3 into 3. What is 3? Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 by 2 root 3. So that is equal to root 2 plus or minus root of 2 minus 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36 by 2 root 3. That is equal to root 2 plus or minus root of minus 34. Minus 34 by 2 root 3, minus 34. Okay, so root 2, that is equal to root 2 plus or minus root 34. That is equal to root 34 into I by 2 root 3, because I square is equal to minus 1, I is equal to root of minus 1, so root 2 plus or minus root 34 I by 2 root 3. This is okay. All are will be tough feeling in the problems, tough feelings. What is the tough feelings? Root 3 into root 3, so minus the root of minus 34 is equal to how root 34 into y, This is all our maximum tough feeling. Okay. Next, solve x square plus x plus 1 by root 2. Solve x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. Here, what is A? 1, B, 1, C, 1 by root 2. Formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is equal to minus b minus 1 plus or minus root of b square 1 square minus 4ac root 2 by 2a minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus, this is 4. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. Okay, listen carefully. 4 is equal to 2 into 2. 2 into 2 convert into root 2 into root 2. This is 4. So 4 by root 2 is equal to 2 into root 2 into root 2 by root 2. 1 root 2 cancel. So 4 by root 2 is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 by 2. There is no simplification. This is one of the reason. Next, another one, complete. Minus 1 plus or minus root of, common with minus. So 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 minus common. 2 root 2 minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1. Notary 2 root 2 minus 1 into I by 2. This is. Okay, last and final problem. Okay, last problem in this chapter. Okay, tomorrow I will continue the next chapter with any chapter, but new chapter. The complex numbers 100% completed. Okay, next Sunday, not tomorrow, tomorrow Sunday or next Sunday. Total in complex numbers, total complex number, one exam. Not trigonometry, complex number, total chapter exam, 20 marks exam. So all are ready to write carefully. Sunday morning or 8 to 9, 9 to 10, anyone. I will send a question paper. You will write own. You will write own. There is no, don't try to copy. So tomorrow next chapter. X square plus x by root 2. X solve x square plus x by root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus x by root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to what? 1. b is equal to 1 by root 2, c is equal to 1, x square coefficient 1, x coefficient b, constant c. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus root of b square 1 by root 2 whole square minus 4 into a into c by 2a, direct values. So minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus root of 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 2 minus 4 by 2. Next. So minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus root of, here in the root LCM is 2, 1 minus 8 by 2, 1 minus 8 by 2. So that is equal to minus 1 by root 2, or see here, that is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus root of 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. So minus 7 by 2 by 2. So that is equal to minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus, this is 1 by root 2, this is 1 by root 2 into root of minus 7 by 2. So minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus 1 by root 2, the root 7 means root 7i, root of minus 7 is equal to root 7i by 2. So 1 by root 2 common, 1 by root 2 common, 1 by root 2 common means minus 1 plus or minus root 7i by 2. Okay, 1 by root 2 common, minus 1 plus or minus root 7i by 2. So that is equal to finally minus 1 plus or minus root 7i by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. Once again, here only okay, 1 by root 1 by 4 minus 8, we go 1 minus 8, 4ac 4 into 1, 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2 minus 4, LCM 2 1 minus 8 by 2. So 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. This minus 7 root by 2 convert into, this is root 2, root a by b. You know, root a by b is equal to root of a by b is equal to root a by root b. Root of a by b is equal to root a by root b. So root a by root b. So 1 by root 2 minus root 7. So root of minus 7 is equal to root 7i, because I is equal to root of minus 1. So 1 by root 2 common, minus 1 no, plus this is common, root 7i. So minus 1 plus or minus root 7i by, this is root 2, this is numerator root, denominator root 2, denominator 2, 2 root 2. This is maximum 100% complete the complex number chapter. Okay, tomorrow I will start the next chapter. Okay, thank you.